Hello all, today we will discuss about the find command. This find command helps us to find any file or a directory according to a name, permission, locations, okay, and it search in a hierarchical manner from top to bottom. It will search, okay, in a recursive mode. If I give find slash, so it will go slash slash etc slash where in all the file system and search for a file. So syntax is like find, where to find and what to find. Okay, so I want to find a file, find slash hyphen name Amit. So I want to find a file Amit in entire slash directory. So let's see if we are having any file. Okay, we got one file in home variant Amit. Okay, ls hyphen l. Okay, this is having 664 permission. Okay, so further this is a file. If I want to find a directory or a file, because currently it is searching for both, let me give you one more example that will help you understand. Find underscore root hyphen name, and they should have star.doc and naming convention. Okay, so we are getting two things, b.doc and a.doc under slash root. But I am not sure which is a file, which is a directory. So it is not creating any difference on a file and directory. It's searching all the files and directory which is having name .doc. Okay. So now we'll elaborate to this. Okay. So find slash root type file. Name of the file should be star.doc. Okay. So it will give only file. If I want to search a directory, then directory. Okay, so this is a way you can find a file and directory with the name of help. You can do also like find slash hyphen name. Okay, find slash root hyphen type file. Name is this, but if you want to add one more, like after the output of root slash a, what we will get here, we want to execute some more command on this. Okay, so what we'll do, hyphen exec. So if I want to use ls hyphen l, okay, so ls hyphen l got executed on the this file which is coming from this file. So what it is doing, it will go find like a file which is having star.doc, okay, under slash root. Once it get the file, it will execute ls-l on that. So this symbol in this brace is referring to input from this thing. Okay, so in this manner we can do ls-l, we can do rm, we can do cp. So let's cp with this file to slash tmp. Okay, now ls-l slash tmp will have a.doc. See, it could copy it here. So in this manner you can expand. So we have searched a file with the name. Okay, we can search a file with the permission also. Okay, so like this file is having 644. So we'll search. Let me type find slash hyphen type f hyphen name star.doc. Okay, and hyphen permission 644. Okay, now let's understand, because previously we are running it in the slash root, now I am running in slash, so we'll get much more data. Let's see. Okay, we got two file with this like which is matching this entire stranger. We get in slash tmp and we are getting this slash this thing. Again, if I want to execute something on this, ec execute ls-l input from the ps command and take this. So it will search and it will execute ls-l on those temp and root directory files. Okay, perfect. We got two things. Now let me clear my screen. Control L. I want to search the empty directories or file which is not having the any data. So find slash hyphen empty. These are the empty file. Okay, but this is the huge data. Let me control C. I will run slash root if I get something. Okay, hyphen exec ls hyphen l. So this thing. Okay, made a mistake here. ls hyphen this should be l. Okay, so it is showing these are the empty file. Let's see. Let's get this file. Is there any content or not? No content, and same will do for this. So this how you can search for like empty files. Okay, and like I already told you, you can search file with the in slash root or slash hyphen permission 644. We'll get n number of files now, which is in 644 permission. Okay,